midnight sun. And where have you been, my darling young one? I've been 10,000 miles in the mouth of a graveyard, and it's hard rains are gonna fall. Of the deepest dark forest, where the pellets of poison are flooding